Alright everyone, so we just got into Tucson, Arizona yesterday, and we had a propane leak. Or at least we think it's a propane leak because
We haven't really been using it much, and the entire RV smells of propane, and we are on empty. So,
yeah.
fun.
Last time, you joined us as we became gunslingers in Tombstone, Arizona. This time, we make our way through Arizona exploring Tucson and Phoenix and inching our way closer to the completion of our coast-to-coast journey. So sit back, relax, and join the adventure. When you have to use your camping stove because you had a propane leak inside, f***ing mint!
So we came to Butte Burger. It's here in this little, I don't know what this place is called, honestly, we should probably look that up. But there's a bunch of little container buildings with a bunch of shops, some coffee shops. There is a ramen place that I may be making him try later, but we'll see. But yeah, we got ourselves some burgers, some delicious looking fries, and some limeade, and we got this cute sticker.
Trying our hand at some disc golf. It's our first time, so we're gonna see how it goes.
That's okay, we'll only get better from here. I hope.
Alright, so as if we didn't have enough issues with the propane leak, our toilet decided to crap out on us. Pun intended. F***ing mint!
But we got a new toilet that will hopefully work. And we had to rent a golf cart to go pick it up because our only rides are motorcycles. So that was fun.
We had to get the bougiest toilet they had.
Hey!
But hopefully it'll work for a long time. Just to show you how bougie this toilet is. Ooh. Fancy. Old one, gone. The new porcelain throne is in. So we're back. More ramen.
Okay, we haven't had ramen since San Antonio. It's been over a month.
A month without ramen. What will you do? But
We'll make it.
will this be the new place?
We'll see.
Well, the bowl is clean.
It's pretty good.
Verdict?
Pretty good. I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's pretty solid.
Yep.
Alright, just made it to Saguaro National Park. One bad thing about our Rikers being our only mode of transportation is we can't bring the dogs with us. So we can't spend too long here. Go and explore. So the national park got its name from the saguaro cactus, and it's pretty obvious why, because they're everywhere. Moco's Little Chicago. And we got New Belgium Fat Tire beers.
Delicious.
Alright guys, so you saw us fix the toilet, we replaced that. We haven't gotten our propane fixed yet because no one can come out and fix it before we leave, and I don't know, we just don't trust ourselves with gas.
Yeah, we're not experienced in that aspect, so.
And then, out of nowhere, our hot water heater stopped working, so we feel kind of defeated right now.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
So, but take it one step at a time. And
yeah.
Only one more state until we get coast to coast, so just trying to keep our spirits high. Alright guys, so we are leaving Tucson and heading to Phoenix, Arizona. It's only about a 2-hour drive, so not that bad today. Alright guys, it is a beautiful day here in Phoenix. Nice 78 degrees. We may have made an impulse buy. Trying to figure out what's going on with the hot water heater. It might just be because we don't have propane, but we were able to run it off of straight electric. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So I think the reason why the hot water heater isn't working is because of the propane leak. Just a theory right now, so I think we're gonna prioritize getting the propane fixed before we fix the hot water heater. But it's weird because we would not turn the hot water heater on and we would get hot water, but I guess it still needs the gas line to ignite the flame, so that's my theory. We'll see if it works. Checking out the indoor heated pool area. Ready to go for a swim?
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so we have called several different mobile RV repair companies around Phoenix, and none of them can come out for 2.5 to 3 weeks. And we're supposed to leave in like 5 days. So we're gonna have to do without propane for now. Luckily, all the campsites that we've been to have really nice shower facilities, and we do have a really good camping stove with a bunch of propane tanks. So, oh, and tomorrow we have something a little special planned. I have never done it before, so I'm excited. Good morning. We are about to go on one of those. Alright guys, that balloon ride was amazing.
It was So insane. The sunset, or sunrise, sorry, I keep saying sunset. Sunrise before we took off was insane, and if you've never gone on a hot air balloon, definitely would recommend. It's not scary at all. It's I mean, if you look down, then yes.
It's a little nerve-wracking at first, but once you get in the air, you're fine.
It's not. You'll be alright. Do it. Would recommend.
Yes.
Yep.
100%. We're out here getting some putting practice in, and we noticed some fancy-looking RVs parked near us. That one straight ahead right there is called a Realm, and those brand new ones of those run around $1 million. And this one is a Knoll. It's only 2 spaces away from us, and those run about $2 million brand new. Holy shit, guys. We just experienced an attempted robbery. We're going to get some new slippers because our other ones are falling apart. Well, I guess you don't really have any. And so we're at Famous Footwear here in Phoenix, and this guy we were checking out, and he started running away with a box, and they stopped him at the door, and they ripped the box to pieces.
Yeah, he I don't know. Our cashier ran after him and grabbed the box, and I was just didn't know what was happening, but they got him. Security is currently chasing him in a golf cart, so that'll be fun.
Never experienced anything like that in my life. I was shaking. That's so crazy. Alright guys, we are at Desert Diamond Casino. Let's hope we don't lose all of our money. First round,
Not great.
lost half my money at the blackjack table, but I made it back playing slots, so.
Yep. Still have some money left. It's not all gone, but we've got to push our luck with it and see how that goes.
Alright, well, we lost about a little over half of our money, but it was still fun.
This is a mourning dove. It flew onto our campsite while the mobile repair guy was fixing our gas leak. We thought maybe it was injured and that's why it let Carol hold it, but it ended up flying away a few minutes later.
I don't know. He flew down here.
Alright, so the mobile repair guy just left. Turns out we have 2 gas leaks. One behind the fridge and the other on our water heater. So I was able to fix the fridge. He came back today with the part to get that fixed, but now we have another one. So we're gonna have to wait until our next stop to get that figured out. But for now, he was able to at least plug it. So there's no gas leaking. So we can use our stove again.
At least one win here. No more gas leak. But still have to have cold showers or use the facilities, so.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this week's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can see our rest of our coast to coast videos. We are heading towards our last stop before we start making our way back towards the East Coast, so stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.